little desk. Pretty good sized bed. I think it's bigger than a queen. I'm not sure. Our electronics all over the place. We'll go out on the balcony here. And, we're going southbound, so this is facing west. Got a little sunset going there. That might look good later on.
Why don't I take your hat and put it on your head?
Okay, here, take my hat.
That might help a little.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, much better. Thank you. I'm gonna do this. How's that? I should have bought one of those little. I don't know. I'm nobody here to ask.
He's right behind you.
That isn't the same person. I don't think. Which tour is this, sir? Oh, Best of Haines. That's it.
Yeah, so we just need name, date, signature, photos, and then we will be heading to the Eagle Foundation, where you can get up close and personal with some eagles and other birds of prey, as well as a whole taxidermy wax museum they have there. And then we'll be out to Chilkoot Lake, which is a super beautiful lake, freshwater, glacially fed lake, and we'll spend some time out there as well. So, like I said, first things first, Fort Seward. Fort Seward is a military fort. It was built in 1902 and maintained until just after World War II, when it was decommissioned and then bought up by 5 military families, some of whom still live here today. But this land is now all leased out to residential and commercial enterprises. But a lot of people, you know, wonder why.
You got that magnet, right? Looks like the last one, huh?
Two black and two brown. Salt. A lot of sleep.
Very consistently laid eggs the first 2 weeks of April, like to the day every year. Like April 11th, Vega's got an egg. And this year, that time kind of came and passed, and she had moved some sticks around, but we didn't see her behavior get really territorial like they do when they're nesting. So we thought that maybe this year she just wasn't going to lay, and that's okay. We're not expecting anything from her when she is laying eggs or not laying eggs. You know, it doesn't change how we feel about Vega. So
How long you been doing this?
This is my second season,
Yeah.
so I've been here for about 8 months, or I guess 10 months total
There, right?
in the last 2 or 3
Oh, that's
years.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Oscar.
Oscar or Rick?
Rick.
How you doing, Oscar?
We'll take my own.
The mountains are incredible.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying. A lot of times when
油咁樣啊，係嘛？俾8蚊，俾咗去碼頭嗰度巡一巡嘅話，又話兜過咁。
Yep, so yeah, they hatch and then they hang out.
Oh, I'm sorry, right in your way.
Nope, you're good, huh?
Fish up here, but like try to catch we also have dollar stars.
Usually the red light's on. For me, the red light means it needs some sort of maintenance.
Okay.
But I might be wrong.
Well, ship does need some maintenance.
Watch out, baby. Thank you.
Apologize.
Straight ahead, baby. Straight ahead.
I don't know if there's somebody still sitting there or not.
I don't think anybody's there.
Sit in a chair or on the...
I was gonna sit in a chair here.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it, how the layers go, and you can actually see where the ice forms in layers.
Yeah.
On the different. Hello, bird. Those are turns right there.
Mm.
That was
For you?
That was my phone.
Oh, that's your alarm.
Yeah, I just didn't want to be asleep when the food got here. Because the ice is dirty, it's hard to tell if there's anything on it.
I'll edit that out. The video.
Oh. Now I know why my elbow hurt.
Why is that? Because you're getting elbow on the thing?
Yeah, well, not like this, but like this, moving it around and stuff.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Compounded by the what?
First, we're going to talk to him for half a second.
Oh, good.
Good afternoon.